Welcome to my lecture on what is a prompt. Before we understand what is a prompt, let me quickly recap what are generative AI systems. Generative AI, or in short Gen AI, are a class of AI systems that have the capability to generate new content such as text, images, audio, and video. Since these AI systems generate new content, hence the name generative AI. Let me take you to chat.openai.com. Probably we are all by now familiar with this interface, the chat.openai.com or chatgpt.com. When I ask a question, who is Bill Gates here? I'm going to receive a response back. So it is actually generating the content that comes after this question. Now if I go to GPT-4, I can ask it to generate an image. So it generated an image based upon the description I gave. Coming back to the slide, as the name says generative, these AI systems have a capability to generate new content such as the text and images we have just seen. If these are class of generative AI systems, then what is a prompt here? So to understand what is a prompt, let's look at this picture here. There are three major sections of this picture. Here we have Gen AI users, you and I. On the right side, we have a large language model such as GPT 3.5 or GPT 4. In middle, you have a generative AI application. This interface is our generative AI application. Whatever I type here is called either an input or prompt. Once I give a prompt to generative AI application, of course, the application has a capability to enhance the prompt or rewrite the prompt and add some things to the prompt, such as what kind of a temperature to use, what kind of a top P parameter to use, or how many response tokens to limit the response to. So hence I named it as a prompt star. In summary, the prompt is nothing but the input you give it to generative AI application. The same or enhanced will be given to a large language model. Now LLM will come back with a response, the same will be shared. In this case, this is the response. And if I go back to 3.5 one more time, so this time it did not pick up LLM in the specific context. Probably I can ask what is an LLM in the context of generative AI. It still does not have any information about LLM. That's very strange, right? Let me go back to GPT-4 and ask what is an LLM. This is pretty accurate, correct? Let me ask what is your knowledge or training cutoff date. Now let me go to GPT 3.5 and ask so it was trained till January 2022. Probably it has no understanding of LLM because the knowledge or training cutoff date is like only till Jan 2022, whereas I'm recording this in 2024. To the definition of a prompt. Prompt is basically the input as a user, you and I give it to generative AI application. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.